Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we have got a great unboxing for you today. I'm so excited about this one. Been waiting for it for not too long, actually. It shipped pretty fast, but I'm so excited. You ready? Look at this! Magical Momentos! I can't wait. This is coming up right now. Alright, so a couple weeks ago I saw one of my friends has a YouTube channel that's all Disney based, and they sent him one of these to review it, and he did a video on it, and I had to get one. I will link where you can purchase it down below. I'm not sure if they have any of these left. Last I saw they only had 2, so they're gonna make 500, there's 500 vehicles of each style, and they're going to do 27 different versions of this. And the link down below is to the Facebook group is called the Escape Hatch, and Escape Hatch / Orlando Escape Rooms, and that's where I got it from. Okay, so I gotta show you. So it comes in this really cool box. We have number 42 of 500, and it's made very nice. Ready? Oh. So it says on here, prior to removing from box, please carefully remove the foam from the item. Do not attempt to move the lap bars. This is not a toy. Each one of these is handmade, and they'll have slight variations. So, I gotta get this out of here. It's packed very well. Okay. Look at this! Inside of the box is cool too, it's all velvety. So, look at that. It's a lot heavier than I was expecting. I was really thinking this was going to be like 3D printed, and then they were going to sand it smooth, and parts of it maybe. Honestly, I don't know how they make this, but it's definitely a lot heavier and more solid than I was expecting it to be. I know that they're all hand painted. So this is Space Mountain. This is the ride vehicle from Disneyland's Space Mountain. You can tell because it's 2 people wide. And it's just too cool. Let me throw it in the photo box so you can get an up close look at it. Boop. I mean, it's even so cool. Like the lap bars aren't exactly straight, you know, because they kind of never are when you're in the ride vehicle. You can see the speaker vents on either side of your head. On each side of the headrest, there's like a grill in there. But the best part, this is the whole reason I even ordered it. On the bottom, it tells you which one you got, number 42 out of 500. It's kind of the certificate for it. But, see that in the blue? Do you know whose signature that is? That's Bob Gurr's actual signature. He signed them all. What do you mean, who's Bob Gurr? Get out. Bob Gurr is one of the most famous Imagineers. So who cares about Bob Gurr, right? I do. Bob Gurr is the designer of every Disney ride vehicle, pirates boats, roller coasters, the gas-powered race cars, everything. They're all from his brain. And they got him to sign all these. And so we're going to try and maybe collect all of them. But here's the kicker. They are not inexpensive. This was $695. And I know what you're thinking. That's insane. And you're right. But the detail is really cool. And to display something like this and have it signed by Bob Gurr, I'm a super Disney nerd. I can't, like, to have something signed by an Imagineer that did as much as he did for the company and things that we directly interact with when we're in the parks means so much to me. It's so cool. I had to go back after I ordered this just to catch up on all the different stuff that he did. I went and rewatched Imagineering on Disney Plus. He had his hands in everything. Bob Gurr, when they decided to build the Matterhorn, nobody had ever built a steel roller coaster before. Nobody had done that before. And they didn't hire out a company like places do now, roller coaster companies that, you know, like, say you go to Six Flags, all those roller coasters are built by roller coaster companies. Disney built that one. And they made the ride cars for that. I hope they're going to do that ride car too, and I hope they're going to do the Doom Buggy. But yeah, his name is signed up inside by the inside the Matterhorn, up by the basketball hoop. That kind of stuff. Like, this is real Disney history. And the other cool thing is, so who made this, right? The company that made this is the ones that make the ride cars. They're the ones that actually, when Disney goes, hey, we need new ride cars because they're wearing out, that's the company that makes the ride cars. So they produced these as models, and then they had them sign the cars, the guy who designed it. It's so cool. I can't help it. Sorry, I know this is not like our normal video, but I love it. So, again, if you want to get one of these, I don't know if any of the first runs, the first editions are going to be left. You could look if you go quick, but I know that they were running out fast, but keep an eye out. So the other thing is, once you get one of these, we will have first dibs for the next ride vehicle, because we already have one. So we get, I think, an extra day or two before they release to the public. They release it to us and give us a sneak peek to see if we want the next one, which I think is phenomenal. Like I said, could you imagine getting a Doom Buggy made by them? That's so cool. All right, I'm done. Love it. Mary got this for me. Thank you, Mary. All right, check out down below the escape hatch room. The escape hatch Orlando escape room. I hope you're having, wait, if you want to check out our last video, it's over here. If you want to subscribe, please click the button right here. We'd really appreciate it. Now I hope you're having a great day.